Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have a spoiler for the Ipsy September Glam Bag. Now this is for the standard $10 subscription, so I'll go ahead and show you what we got, guys. So one of the items that will be a variation for the Ipsy bag is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Now they do have it in travel size, which is 6 milliliters, and it's valued at $13. And as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on, that way you are notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.